Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a unique hairstyle which is very easy for college going girl, for any party look, and you can wear it for regular basis also. So this is very easy. So let's get started without wasting any time. So what you have to do is just side part your hairs like this. Make sure there are no tangles in your hair. Now we have to do everything on this part only. So take a section of hair from front side, just a small section, and twist it like this. And after 2 3 twists, just pull it on the front side and secure it with a bobby pin. Now taking the another section, twist it like this and overlap it above the first twist. Now secure it with the bobby pin, repeating the same process with the third one. Do it as you done it before. Now it's done, and you can decorate it with any prop like this. And the hairstyle is done.